back. So today is a different video on free products. So I have got these free products from Smytten. Smytten is an app where you can install it on your phone and or iPad, and then you actually request for the membership. You get the code in the email and then sign up and get 3 free products to you want to use. But I actually requested that long back. I have not received it, so I purchased few products from Smytten and I got these 3 products for trial free. So you might be lucky, so you can go to Smytten. You have this app, like go there, you have you can request the membership. If you get it, you have the option of discover, where you can pick products which you want to do free trial, and then you get it for the free trial. And I've got 3 products which I've picked up to trial out. Let me see what all I have got. It was the Skin Yoga Marigold Foot Soak 100% natural foot moisturizer. Skin Yoga is really a luxury brand and they are expensive, so I thought I'll try this out when I get to trial. So this is fragrance free, preservative free, paraben free, and this is the foot soak. This actually you have to just put small handful of this in the lukewarm water, and you can soak your feet for 10 to 12 minutes, towel dry both feet. And yeah, this is the one which I've picked up, and this is of 22 grams. Second thing I want to try is this Wild Earth Oceanic Calm Body Wash. I've heard many people liking this one, but I want to try it. So this is Organic Calm Body Wash, and this is from the Signature Beauty Potions by Shabia Wala. So this is how it is. And third one I want to try is from this brand Word, and this is a saffron milk powder. This is a face cleanser of 15 grams and handmade. It's really nice. So you have this powder here, so you can just mix it with water and then you can use it. This is how I picked up these 3 products for free to trial out. And as soon as if you buy products again, you can again pick up 3 trial size products. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button also. Thank you so much. Have a great day then. Bye bye.